अपना हाथ ऐसे ऊपर क्यों रखते हैं?
Sadhana, God pray, certain connection.
It's his way of praying.
Yeah. It's a devotion.
Sadhana, yes, devotion.
Sadhana.
Inside,
Yeah.
God
God.
connecting.
Do you think it's God that helps you keep your arm up?
क्या भगवान आपकी मदद करते हैं हाथ ऐसे ऊपर रखने में?
डाला हूँ, बहुत फोटो उठाया।
10 years.
10 years.
23 में जाएंगे तो वो सब मिल जाएगा।
10 साल से आपके हाथ ऊपर हैं।
10
1
years.
year, twice.
जा रहा हूँ, बड़ी लंबा तो है।
How hard was it when you first started? Was it very difficult?
कितना मुश्किल था शुरू में हाथ ऊपर रखना?
Inside enjoy
Yeah.
God connecting.
आप हिंदी में बोल दीजिए।
अंदर से ही हम भगवान के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं, जग के लिए।
He wanted to do something for the God
Okay.
so that he notices him.
Okay. And how long do you plan to keep your arm up for? How much longer?
कब तक आप रखना चाहते हैं अपना हाथ ऊपर?
लॉन्ग लाइफ,
Whole life.
आगे का कोई सोचा नहीं है।
हाँ. He hasn't decided anything yet, but he'll keep his hand like whole life.
Okay, whole life.
Though he hasn't decided it.
Wow.
He doesn't think of future. He
Doesn't
just
think
lives in
of it.
present.
Is it difficult when you're sleeping, or do you
हाँ, सेम सेम।
sleep on it? Okay. Not even an issue. So I know now it's been up 10 years. You said 10 years.
हाँ, ये 10 साल से ऊपर है ना हाथ.
10 years. Do you even notice it anymore? Or
No,
just, no.
अब कुछ पता चलता है इस हाथ में?
No.
No, not at all.
सुन पड़ गया.
Strong that arm. Beautiful. Kind of.
नहीं, इस हाथ में जैसे अगर ऐसे छुए तो पता चलता है
हाँ.
कि टच किया है कुछ.
Touch, हाँ. Senseless, full.
No
The
feel.
hand is senseless now.
Senseless. Kind of like your arm and then God's
Strong,
arm.
no.
Yeah. Wow.
No strength in that arm.
No strength. Amazing. And did it just kind of come to you one day that you wanted to do that? Or how did you get the idea to hold your arm up in devotion?
Can you come again?
What kind of, did it just come to him sporadically to want to hold his arm up? Or how
आपको
did
ऐसे
he get
कैसे
the
लगा
idea?
कि अब आपको ये करना चाहिए अपना हाथ ऊपर रख के?
हम साधु है,
Yeah.
साधना हमारा फर्स्ट लक्ष्य है।
हाँ. He's saying that he is a sadhu.
Yeah.
So devoting to the God is his first karma.
First karma. Okay.
तो नहीं, तो ये आपने कैसे सोचा कि अब मेरे को ये करना चाहिए?
हाँ, हम साधु है,
Yeah.
साधना ही हमारा फर्स्ट लक्ष्य है,
Yeah.
वो करना पड़ेगा।
मंजिल साधु की जैसे।
नहीं तो आपने ये कैसे सोचा कि आपको ये चीज करके करना है साधना?
बात ही नहीं ना, साधु जीवन नाम ही इसी का तपस्या।
हाँ.
साधु नाम तपस्या।
तो जैसे बहुत सारे साधु हैं, उनके अलग अलग तरीके हैं तपस्या करने के, तो आपका ये
साधना
तरीका है?
करते हैं ना, जग कल्याण के लिए।
हाँ.
जग कल्याण के लिए साधना।
He does this for the betterment of the universe.
Beautiful. Yeah.
बिग साधना बुझाई नहीं होगा।
In a way, his commitment to.
Yes, so if I see him in a way, it's like, see, we got two hands,
Yeah.
and both the hands are for us to work, right?
Yeah.
If I'm going to raise up my right hand, it's like going to be useless. I'm not going to use it.
Yeah.
And people are going to think you as a crazy man. I'm not going to do that.
Yeah.
So same is your internal desires, your urges,
Yeah.
your cravings, and your things that you are prone to, which
Yeah.
you shouldn't do. Right?
Yeah.
Now there are good side to it, there are bad side to it. I do good things with this hand, I do bad things with this hand.
Yeah.
Now, even if it is dearer to me, do I have the self-realization and conscious within myself that I can give up anything to you, Lord?
Yeah.
No matter what, how important it is to me.
Yeah.
If I don't do it to you, then what am I proving to myself?
Yeah,
It's
true.
my sincere dedication to you.
Yeah.
And my dedication to you is an oath for the peace and harmony among the entire mankind.
Beautiful.
So that human don't forget the values that yes, he can do whatever he wants.
Yeah.
So
Anybody
that's anybody can do anything. And that's his way of reaching that eternal enlightenment approach, portraying it in his form of sacrifice to the mankind, so that one can originally like self-realize and
Yeah,
see
yeah.
it's not only hatred and other things in this world.
love
There's
and
more than
God.
love and peace to God as
Beautiful.
well. There's a higher power above us,
Yeah,
and we
yeah.
have to be under Him.
Har Har
So, yeah,
Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev. So that's what he portrays.
Beautiful. When here, make sure. When you first started, did you ever think about putting it down or no? God's always up.
आपने कभी सोचा था कि जब शुरू में स्टार्ट किया था तो जब दर्द होता था तो आप
Yeah.
Full and final.
Yeah.
Final.
Final. Once you put it up, always up.
Inside strong.
he had a very strong desire, he had a very strong willpower.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
So initially when he started, when he takes the vow, it's not like you go and take the vow.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to be one under a guru.
Yeah.
So he has a guru. So he started in an ashram from a very young age. So he got enlightened with this guru's approach.
Yeah, yeah.
And once when you start as a normal person, it's not easy for you to keep the right hand raised. So
Yeah,
at
yeah.
times it where that you have to sit by a wall and tie your hand and put
Tie
it
it up.
like
Yeah,
put
yeah,
it for
hold
a
it up.
practice or for a week or for 10 days or for a month, and then the process initiates and starts.
Yeah.
And finally it reflects in your hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's amazing. Amazing.
Should I stop filming?
Beautiful. Yeah, that's good.
And when you go to them and ask them, every word is asking for something.
Yeah, yeah.
Every human, in a way. Say
Yeah.
love. What is love? You have to give it or you have to ask for it.
Even me, I'm asking for
Yeah,
something right now.
right
yeah,
now.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's something like that. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very interesting. So Babaji has been through that process.
So you feel it's kind of like you can never forget God because God is right here, always.
One hand. Bas.
Yeah.
First time. One child. One hand.
So what he most of the time says is like, he has his right hand,
Yeah.
but he don't have his right hand.
Yeah.
So
He-
in a
he
way,
kinda
it's
shares
like
it.
you got your right hand ripped off in an accident or something
Yeah,
like that. And the next moment is like, okay, fine, I have it or I don't have it. But still, as a human, he has started doing his devotion
Yeah,
and
yeah.
his way of reaching into that enlightenment
मेरा भी
stage.
एक कार है ऐसा. मैं पूरा इंडिया टूर करता हूँ.
He has a
He
car.
also has a
Maruti
car.
van.
A car?
He rides a van
Van.
with the right one hand.
Yeah, with one hand.
All India, right? He has goes from one place to the east.
Tell
to
him
west.
I'm left-handed too.
Yeah. Nice.
Without license.
No, Babaji has a license. You know?
You have a license?
No license.
No license, Babaji. You didn't say no.
मेरे को कोई पूछता ही नहीं है.
No one is asking about a
Yeah.
पूछने
license.
का पहले मेरे को एक बार देखता है. और मैं पूछ लेता हूँ और बच्चा कहाँ से आए हो आप लोग.
God's the only authority.
Yeah. So whenever cops stop him, it's like he says, "Yes, where are you coming from?"
Yeah.
So the cop says, "Okay, Babaji,
Okay.
there you go."
Beautiful.
The cops check us, he checks the cop.
Yeah. Beautiful.
One child, two child, mother, father, yes, oh thank you. Nice.
They tell him they have a family.
Yeah,
They tell
yeah.
them about a family. He says, okay, okay.
License, driving, no memory.
No.
तो अभी एक दो बार चेक हुआ. मेरे को पूछा लाइसेंस, मैं बोला ना. बोले बाबा ये तो गुना है. मैं बोला गुना सोचा तो गुना. बनाओ लाइसेंस. सब कुछ है. मेरे पास आरटीओ मैं बनाओ लाइसेंस. और क्या चाहिए डॉक्यूमेंट्स. फुल डॉक्यूमेंट्स है. क्या चाहिए.
कभी आधार
टैलेंट
कार्ड होगा?
भी है. लिखा पढ़ा एकदम अनपढ़ नहीं हूँ. है मेरे पास. बनाओ.
लेकिन लाइसेंस नहीं दिए.
ना नहीं तो आरटीओ 3-4 नंबर.
So they're not providing him license.
Yeah, yeah.
He went to the RTO, he went to the department and told
They
them,
don't give him-
no, we are not going to give him an
Oh, okay.
license because you have kept your right and raised.
Yeah, yeah.
So he don't take it as a concern and he still.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हेलो हाय आदाब एवरीवन. दोस्तों मैं आपका दोस्त शहबाज खान. आप देख रहे हैं TNT न्यूज और देखते रहिए TNT न्यूज. थैंक यू.